Bananas Foster is a classic, old-school New Orleans dessert, and it's basically sweet bananas flambéed with a bit of liqueur. Have you done this?
I have not done this.
It looks so much fun, I want to try it.
Well, then let's butter it up,
All right, let's
baby.
butter it. Unsalted butter for our cinnamon rolls. We usually cook fast and furious, but here we're gonna kind of slow things down, so cooking them in butter gives you a really good result.
Okay. Now, the reason we're going low and slow with our cinnamon rolls is very simple. There's sugar in these canned cinnamon rolls. So cooking them on the flat top in some butter in a dome is gonna allow some light convection going on, and hopefully we're gonna get a nice or slight raise in these cinnamon rolls, and off to the races we go with some deliciousness.
Early sweets often involved heating fruit or sweeteners like honey, but today we're using brown sugar.
Caramelizing on a Blackstone gives you more contact, so you get that beautiful golden glaze faster. It's the same principle behind cultural classics like the Welsh cakes, hoe cakes, and the piece de resistance, the French crepe.
You know what? Take these bowls, buddy.
You got it?
And let's do
Teamwork.
two per.
Okay.
Does that work for you?
Yeah.
You like the double move, right?
Oh, of course.
Pro move right there. 1 and 2.
There we go. All right, what's next?
Crank that up to high heat, and let's get some butter down. I'm gonna get to my bananas. I like to cut them long ways down the middle and keep them whole.
Okay. Do the bananas need to be like less ripe?
The goal with your bananas is to get like a really beautiful cook on them. So if you want to use something a little less ripe, that works.
So them being firm actually might be a little more strategic.
It could be, unless you want like a really delicious banana. Those are usually the softer ones.
They like start to mush apart almost, like you start to like, yeah, I'm a fan
So
of that too.
good.
Yeah.
Get high heat first, then add your butter.
That makes
Otherwise, you
sense.
risk burning the butter. And we can arrange these slices, like slice side down, just so we get a little bit of color. Oh, it smells good
Oh,
instantly.
I love that. I think it's a good reminder, be cautious of when you put your butter down. You don't want to have this delicious dessert with burnt butter.
Now I want to let these cook for just a minute before I add my sugar, and certainly before I add my liqueur, which we're using rum today. But you could use banana liqueurs, really, really delicious if you want to like
Ramp up that banana flavor?
Tons and tons of banana
I'm
flavor.
all right with that. That sounds good. Oh, dude. That color?
This is why high heat's important, because you notice the bananas aren't falling apart. They're not turning into, like when you have a banana and you cook it too long, it starts to get almost like pudding, kind of like pudding. I'm flipping these and they're still holding their shape. That's what we want. Look at that, those are gorgeous. All right, CJ, let's add our brown sugar, all of it.
All of it?
Sure, why not? This is a dessert, right?
It is.
Whoa, maybe not all of it. How about most of it?
Okay, I'm glad I didn't do all of it.
All right, now we're gonna add some rum. And this is gonna reduce. Now, flambe is when the alcohol burns off and we get a show.
Woo!
Isn't that fun?
Look at the show.
It smells super toasty.
Oh, yeah.
It's that roasty rum flavor all around the butter and the sugar. So as it reduces, the bubbles are gonna get bigger and bigger, creating that caramel sauce. Don't go anywhere. Like, we are almost done.
God, the aroma is out of control.
See how glazy it
Dude,
gets?
that's amazing.
Let's put 3 or 4 slices right over the top.
Yeah.
Let them kind of like fall over each other.
That's a lot of banana.
Man, it's like, oh, it's like it's candy. You see all that?
Love it.
Beauty. And then you could do this move. Those bubbles, it's so gorgeous. Cooking on the flat top like that, you get all the flavor just surrounds the food that we're cooking, which, by the way, is not possible on a traditional grill. Once you put the sauce over the ice cream, it does start melting right away, but it is gorgeous. That is a sexy looking dessert, CJ. Cinnamon roll bananas Foster and ice cream. I'm getting the ice cream first.
Oh, man.
As that sauce cools, it will turn into caramel, so you can see it kind of like sticks on the edge of the spoon. Love that.
If you've never done dessert on a griddle or a flat top, this is an easy one, and it goes fast.